In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out part of an image in Canva. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Canva or image editing in general. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a background or erase specific parts of a picture using Canva's tools. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the image you want to edit is selected. When an image is selected, you'll see an options bar appear near the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the tools you need. Look for the option labeled Edit and click on it. This opens the image editing panel, which gives you access to features like brightness, contrast, and, most importantly for this video, background and object removal. Inside the edit panel, you'll see options such as BG Remover or Magic Eraser, depending on your version of Canva and your plan. If your goal is to remove the entire background behind your subject, the background remover or BG remover is usually the fastest choice. Click on BG remover, and Canva will automatically analyze the image and try to separate the subject from the background. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, most or all of the background should disappear, leaving just your main subject on a transparent background. If Canva doesn't get it perfect on the first try, that's completely normal. You can use the brushes that appear, usually labeled as Erase and Restore, to fine-tune the edges. Zoom in a little to see the details clearly, then carefully brush over any leftover background you want to remove, or restore parts that were accidentally erased. Now, if you don't want to remove the entire background and instead just want to cut out or erase a specific part of the image, use the Magic Eraser tool. With your image still selected, click on Edit, then choose Magic Eraser. Your cursor will turn into a brush. Adjust the brush size so it fits the area you want to remove, then simply paint over the part of the image you'd like to cut out, such as an unwanted object, text, or distraction in the background. Canva will automatically blend the area to match the surroundings. Take your time, zoom in for accuracy, and undo any mistakes as you go. When you're happy with the result, click away from the image to see how it looks in your overall design. That's all you need to cut out parts of an image in Canva using BG Remover and Magic Eraser.